In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect Facebook to Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is open up Instagram and you need to tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner, and then you need to tap the three lines up in the top right corner. Once you tap those three lines up in the top right corner, it's going to bring you to your settings and activity, where you then need to go ahead and select Meta Account Center up at the very top. And then you just need to scroll down on here until you see Manage Accounts on here. Go ahead and select Manage Accounts, or what you can also do is select Connected Experiences. Do either of those things and hit just Add Accounts on them. Hit Continue. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. We then need to just sign into your account, specifically that Facebook account. Now, they're all connected through Meta, which is super nice. So you could just sign in with your Facebook username, email, mobile number, and then your password. After you do that, you will be good to go. Hit continue, hit log in, and then of course it'll go ahead and add it on there. I actually already have my Facebook account linked, as you can see right there. That's the full process though. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.